Hello everyone, my name is Khalid. Welcome back to the Smart channel. There are different types of investment that you can put your money in. Investment is putting money to work to start or expand a project or to purchase an asset. We might think investment is just you should have millions of dollars. It's incorrect. Even if you can start with your low of your income ability. Today, I'm gonna show you 5 things to invest your money to grow and get rich. I hope you are ready. Number 1. Invest on yourself. When it comes to building financial wealth, investment in yourself may be the most profitable investment you ever make. When you invest in yourself, the odds of increasing your income and plays large role in the quality of your life now and in the future. You might ask, what should I invest on myself? That's a good question. Invest on your mind. Take courses, read books, eat healthy food, dress properly, and invest on your family, parents, and develop your mind. For example, if you have full of knowledge, if you don't have healthy body, doesn't make any sense. So invest on yourself first and be accountable. Number 2. Invest on real estate. The most important thing to invest on real estate is to buy the apartment for rent. If you buy one apartment for rent to get monthly income cash, you need to know exact location where you want to buy the apartment. The wealthiest people thought even if you have your own house, leave that house for rent and get rent for you. Because when you buy an apartment to get every monthly income cash, invest in properties in Africa, invest in real estate, trusts or companies. So when you have enough of money, buy an apartment on exact location in different business of countries. Number 3. Invest on real business. As everyone knows, real business makes you open the way of success. When we say real business, invest on restaurant, shops, garages, services such as cleaning, consulting, and so on. Doesn't mean you open a restaurant or shops you success, but it is the way of success. So be the owner or invest in real business. Number 4. Invest on digital business. Today, everything is changed through technology. Technology makes you feel more secure with every area in life for both personal and business reason. Important thing to know about digital business is e-commerce. E-commerce it's an online business such as Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, and so on. Invest on them through their shares. Invest on network marketing. Find the right company. So learn and invest on digital business. Number 5. Invest on stock market. Stock market is one of the important investment right now. Stock market is once if you invest, no need to work on it. It is just once you educate yourself about the stock market, when you invest automatically work themselves. Of course, there is a lot of mistakes are there. Just you need to know about it and start invest on it. Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investor of all time with 20% annually return. He is the third wealthiest person in the planet. So they don't recommend to start stock market without knowledge. You might lose. But if you have enough knowledge, start to invest early. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to click subscribe, like, share to others to learn and grow. Leave your thought on your comment section below and turn on notification. You will get every Sunday new videos. Much love. God bless you all. That's for me today. I will see you on the next